Goal! Jamaica 281. Ximines and Pearson link up. Massive respect. Now doesn't matter what people want to think. Definitely Pearson with a lovely cut back and turn and get the ball inside of the 18-yard box. And then Clark is on top of that. Clark, it didn't get off as how he wanted to, but Clark Ximines follow through and he got his goal. He pretty look disappointed because he knows that he's not having the best game, but most definitely that is a huge contribution to what we want at this point in time. Big up, good work to both link up from both players. Huge respect to that. Most definitely. Big up on we are now in the lead. Hopefully we can get the job done. We're playing against 9 players and we're playing horrible. I'm telling you, we're playing horrible. This is down to I think this is a lot to do with coaching. I cannot beat that job more than enough. But coaching. Big up Pearson and big up Ximines for that contribution. Really love that. Anytime again. See you guys again at full time. We'll be doing match review. Big up people. Go Ximines. Big up.